If any of your screen has large set of information to display, you might want to break that up into multiple tabs. In this video, I'll show you how you can implement tabs in OutSystems. So this is my service studio. I'm inside a reactive web application that has an entity called customer, these attributes, and I've also bootstrapped this entity with some sample data. I'm going to quickly create a screen where I can demonstrate to you the tabs. So home, let's call it tabs. And then to be able to display tabs, basically in OutSystems, there's a widget, look for tabs. It's available here. You can just drag and drop. This one that you have here already comes with 3 headers and 3 content items. If you just switch to widget tree, you are able to see the structure quite neatly here. You can see here, each header corresponds to a content item. So that's where the content goes. That's where the header goes. If you want more or less more header items or more content items, you have additional individual items here that you can also add to this. Just drag and drop into this. Now I'll show you the usage of this, how to use it. For example, I'll just quickly go ahead and build a query. I'll fetch from database customer records. That's the query on the page now. Imagine in my case, if the header is like the first tab is maybe a dashboard. Second tab could be a list. Maybe the third tab could be a form. And thereafter, I can start building the content. So dashboard, as the name says dashboard, let's put some charts there. Area chart goes into the first one. So make sure you follow the hierarchy, first, second, header and content item. So this dashboard I can bind to the same query. It will not make sense. What I mean is customer name. I don't have a value per se. I'm going to bind this to the customer ID. It doesn't make sense, but yeah, it shows data. My intention is just to show you data. Second could be the list, so I'm placing in the second. And the third could be a form. So the form is also here. Inside the form, I can have the customer information. And the save logic, I'm going to leave it blank, not doing anything, just want to get rid of the error. And that's it. Let's go ahead and publish it to see how it looks. So very easy, very fast to implement tabs in OutSystems, and it helps to keep your screens clean. Let's launch it. Cool. So the first one is dashboard. It shows this area chart here. Second is the list of customer. Third is the form. Okay, that's how tabs appear. Now, if I go back, there's some additional configurations. Let me select the main tab here. So notice that some properties. Okay, notice some properties here. You're able to define which is the starting tab. So you can say start from not 0, 1. So start from 0, 1, 2 in my case. Can be that. Justification if you want to justify. Vertical in case you want to move the tab headers to the left hand side. You can do this. Perhaps this one I can show you. And if it's right, so right now by default the vertical shows on the left. If you want to move them on the right, that can also be done. The last important piece here is handler. This is where maybe you want to write a piece of logic whenever the tab changes, especially for logging maybe. In my case, let me just show you a message. Maybe I can display the currently selected tab. And that's it. Since I make a change, let me publish again. And ready. So same tabs, but now the orientation is more on the vertical side. So they have on the left list, and the handler shows me the currently selected tab 0, 1, 2. And that's how you implement tabs in OutSystems. Thanks for watching.